Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. And how are
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yes, I'm also good. Your name is Surendra, right?
No, no, my name is Yogendra.
Oh, yes, yes, Yogen. Oh,
Yeah. So let me inform you. Actually, here what we will do in this conversation. So this conversation is, you know, we will divide in four parts. First part we know each other. For
yeah.
we will introduce each other, and then second part I will ask you 5 questions. Okay, and then I will discuss some you know verb you know basic verbs, and then and the third part, yeah, second, third, fourth part. In fourth part you need to translate 5 sentences, and then at the and then you will you know ask some questions, and at the end I will bring 5 idioms, and we will discuss, then we will end the call. Okay, got it?
Yeah,
So now,
but one thing I want
yeah,
to tell you. Yeah, one thing I want to tell you. I've like the basic grammar I know, but I've forgotten like my grammar. But yeah, let me try. Okay, let's try. Yeah.
yeah, okay. So my you let me ask first questions. Let me start with 5 questions. So 5 questions. So my first question is that, do what do you think is the key to happiness?
Okay, the key to happiness. The key to happiness is this. Happiness is that something which we can make ourselves, right? We can't force other person to make us happy, right? So happiness depends on us. Keep positive attitude, learn good things, read something good, okay? Watch good content, okay? Be positive. I think all these everything these include to a key to happiness. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean to say, be positive, read good content. I think these, you should know, we should surround ourselves with positiveness and goodness. Okay. And the health also. If we are at good health, we will feel happy. Contented, I mean to say. If we are not in a good health, it won't make us happy. So the good health is also very necessary to keep us happy. Right?
That's
Yeah.
enough. Oh, okay. My second questions. Do you think it's better to follow your heart or your mind? Means your head. Yeah.
Okay. I think for me, if you ask me, I follow my heart. You know, whatever every time I follow my heart. I'm very emotional kind of a person, Yogin. Yeah, very
Okay.
too emotional. No, yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
this
okay.
I
Very
follow
good.
every time I follow my heart. What my
Yeah,
heart
that's
says, I
very,
do that.
yeah, that's very good. My third questions. Do you think money can buy happiness?
Sorry?
Do you think money can buy happiness?
No, money can't buy happiness. I think money can't buy happiness. Yeah, in some there are some. I mean to say, if we have a lot of money, okay, it will definitely it gives us a little bit of happiness. If we have a good amount of money, suppose I want to travel abroad, it will make me happy. I'm talking about myself. I love to go abroad. I love to explore different countries. But because I don't have that much of money, so I can't go, If I had such amount of money, huge amount of money, it would definitely make me happy because I love to travel.
So, okay, what's your view? Just only I want to know what is your view? Money can buy happiness or not?
Yeah, yeah, not always. I mean to say, not always money can buy happiness. Yeah, but somewhere or the other, it does makes us happy,
Okay,
right?
my fourth questions. Do you think social media has a positive or a negative impact on society?
Yeah, there are and there are the bad impacts also. Okay, and I mean to say the both the parts, like pros and cons of good media. You mean to ask the media? Okay. I mean to say like the children's, actually the children are going astray. They watch so much content which is not favorable for them to watch, right? And for us, yeah, definitely it makes us grow, and
It's
like
a
we are,
positive. It's a positive, yeah,
yeah,
impact from your
yes.
perspective. Okay, let me bring fifth question, and that is the last. Do you think it's better to have a few close friends or a large social network?
Social network or
Do you think it's better to have a few close friends or a large social network?
okay, for me, close friend. I want to have some close friend. I do have my close friend. And for me, if you ask, I love to surround myself with my close friends. I have a huge circle of close friends. Definitely, it makes you satisfied and happy in life. Yes.
Okay, so let me here ask. Let me bring five. Verb, basic verb, and you only need to tell their second form. That means that is called past simple. Okay.
Past simple, present future, present indefinite. All this
No,
I
no.
have forgotten. Yeah.
Just listen what I'm saying. Please don't just don't abrogate this my question. I'm just asking five basic verbs. Only you need to tell their fast form. Okay.
Past. Yes.
Only five. Yeah. So first, buy. buy.
Okay. BUI, buy, past of that. You know, bought, bought,
Bought.
I bought
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second, forget.
Forgot, I
Yeah, that's
forgot
good.
that.
Third, drive.
I drive,
drive.
drove, drove,
Yeah. Fourth, fight.
bought,
Fought. Fifth, and that is the last, dream.
dreamt,
Sorry.
DREMT, dreamt.
Dreamt. Yeah, that's okay. Dreamt and dreamed are both okay.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. And now you need to translate. Okay, I have five Hindi sentences, and you need to translate. That is very simple. They are not very you know very advanced. So restaurant कहाँ है?
Sorry?
Restaurant कहाँ है?
Okay, where is the restaurant?
Second, मुझे नाश्ता चाहिए.
I want to have breakfast.
Yeah, that's good. कृपया धीमी गति से बोलिए.
Okay. Please talk in a slow manner. In a slow
Okay,
way, in a slow manner. Yeah.
please speak slowly. Yeah. ये कितना है? ये कितना है?
Sorry?
ये कितना है?
ये कितना है?
Yeah.
How much is this? I
Yeah,
don't
good.
know.
या गुड गुड गुड. यह
Don't
बहुत महंगा है. यह बहुत महंगा है.
Oh, but this is quite expensive.
This is quite expensive. Yeah, good. So now it's your turn. Ask any question, and then at the end I will bring four idioms, and you only need to tell and speak about their meaning. And then if you are not, then I will help you. Okay. Now it's your turn. Ask any question.
No, no, no question. You can put the idioms.
You
Let's
don't have any
discuss some
question.
idioms.
You
Sorry?
don't want to ask any question.
Okay. I can ask. Yes. Tell me
Yes,
one
go
thing.
ahead.
Yeah.
Ask.
Yeah. Yeah. So I had seen you earlier also. Like, I think you are on this platform from very long back, right?
Yeah, yeah, we are meeting second time. Okay.
No, no, we are meeting second time, but the first call when we had the first session, that was like quite long, I think.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Very long. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
now, and I now you see what I see you in yourself that you have improved so much. You have improved, right?
Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank
That
you. Thank
to
you.
see you.
Thank you, Dabi.
Be happy to
Thank
see
you for
you.
supporting me. Yeah. Your each and every word has a positive impact on me, and I will whenever I have conversation with you. That's give me a positive impact and positive words, and motivates me a lot. Yeah. So now ask another question if you have. Then if you don't have, then let me bring idioms.
Okay, then how did it happen that you speak so well? ये ऐसे कैसे हुआ? What did you do? How did you practice? Yeah, tell me that.
Actually, yeah, you actually, I practice a lot. You know, I
Okay.
practice a lot. That means not I have a lot of conversations with a lot of persons. No, I only take one session with one person each day, and then I watch movies and interviews and some try to search content, vocabs, idioms, phrase, and these all things I do every day. That is why I'm
So
here.
do you watch that English movies?
Yeah, yeah, I watch English movies.
And you can follow the accent of theirs?
Sorry.
Can you follow their accent, the way they speak, the
Yeah,
English
yeah, yeah,
movie?
yeah. That, yeah, the way they
Yeah.
speak, I repeat also. Yeah, that is a good thing. If you that is the better way to speak English if you want to. And yeah, go ahead. Another question.
I was asking you, वो जो accent, that accent होता है ना English movies का, how you understand? Because it's difficult to understand the accent.
Actually, yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, I turn on subtitles and try to speak with them.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Yeah,
So in
thank you.
so apart from this, in what way you practice? Like you watch the content, you listen to, I mean to say, you listen to English content, and you do conversation. And apart from these two things, what do you do?
Yeah, I do both.
Okay, these two. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Okay.
so.
So
Are you a spiritual person? Because I see that
yeah,
tilka
yeah,
on
I'm a
your phone.
spiritual
I
person.
think you
Yeah,
do
I
puja
believe in God.
every.
Yeah,
Okay,
I believe in God.
it's
I will
good.
not talk about much about God. So
Yeah, but you trust God.
yeah, yeah, trust. Everyone should trust. I think.
Yes, yes. Why not? Why not? We should.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay. Now let. Yeah.
yeah, go ahead. If you are not,
No, no.
if you don't have any questions, so let me bring idioms, five idioms, and
Yes.
only you need to do one thing. Only you should guess. If you are not able to, then you should guess. Then I will help you. Okay.
Yes. Right.
Okay, so first idioms, you know, beat around the bush. Beat around the bush.
Beat around the bush is something like when when the other person is not finding a proper way to reply or answer, then उसको बोलते हैं अगल बगल
Yeah,
झांकना.
yeah, right, 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 right.
Yeah,
Avoid
बगले झांक.
talking directly or clearly about something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Very good.
So
Second
can you
question.
use a
Second.
sentence? I want to like use a sentence. Okay, if you
Yeah,
allow
yeah,
me
okay.
to imitate a
Yeah,
sentence.
yeah, yeah. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Second, make a mountain out of a molehill.
Okay, तिल का ताड़ बनाना, right?
Yeah. Exaggerate
Okay,
or make something more important.
something more.
Yeah, making more important and exaggerate, you know.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
when something is like there's a small issue, and like
yeah,
somebody
yeah,
is making a
you are
issue, उसका
making
बड़ा
big
सा
issue. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, third, take it with a grain of salt.
I don't know this. No.
Yeah, that means be cautious. Don't take something too seriously.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah, I've heard
Yeah,
this for the first time. Yes.
yeah. Okay. Fourth, port calling the bed, kettle black. Port calling the kettle black.
No, I've not heard this.
That means accuse someone of something you are yourself guilty of.
So can you use a sentence?
Actually, suppose that today your son
Yeah.
spilled milk and you didn't see, and there was your daughter over there also,
Okay.
and your son is blaming your daughter. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, got
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fifth, and that is the last. Think outside the box. think outside the box.
Yeah, think outside the box means the thing is I'm not able to so I know the meaning, but actually I'm not able to
Okay,
express
think.
myself.
Okay,
Yeah,
think for a seconds. Think for a seconds. Okay, take your time. Don't worry.
yes. Yeah, something out of the box means it's something which is not related with you. Like I can talk in English, sorry in Hindi, कि हमें जो कुछ पता है उससे हम बाहर जाके उसे बाहर निकल के कुछ और सोचें.
Yeah, be creative. Be creative.
Yeah.
Come up with new ideas. Come up with new
Yes,
ideas.
yeah, with new ideas.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, idioms is finished here. So now, if you have any question, so you can ask, and if you not, let's call it a day. Okay. That means
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
into the
Yeah.
conversation.
We will end our session now because it's around 2 o'clock. Not two exactly. 10 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have to conversation with one girl. She has
Just
given me the
one.
time
Just
at
one.
2.
Just here you are making a point. How we can say that? What is the time right now? How many times in a way we can say? Can you say?
Yeah, see the way I tell, I know this. Like 10 minutes left for 2. Like 150. It's 150. हम तो ऐसे ही बोलते. I speak in this way. Like it's 150. It's quarter to 2. It's 2:30. In this way. Yeah.
Yeah, 9 to 2. Okay, nine
Yeah.
and
Time.
two. That is the advanced level to say. Yeah, that's okay. So grandmother, if you have any
Yeah, I
question.
want to thank you. I want to thank you for that because the session of yours was like something different from the.
Yeah,
It's a
it is your
monotonous thing.
blessing,
Sorry.
grandmother,
Yes.
just listen. It is your blessing that I have reached here. Okay, it is your blessing.
Yes,
And
every time. Yes, my
yeah,
blessings are always with everybody. You all
yeah,
are my friends also, like my children also. So I keep my blessings with you. Yes,
actually,
definitely.
when I had conversation, I think 3 and 4 months ago. So
Yeah.
at that
Yes.
time, you motivated me a lot, and that time I, took a oath that I will become, fluent, and
And now
yeah,
you are.
today I am,
Yeah, now
and
you are. Yeah,
yeah,
you
but
speak so well.
however, I think that I need to, improve a lot.
You
Something
are
that means,
already improved. Yeah, Yogendra, I see you a lot of improvement in yourself. The earlier
yeah,
what I saw like 4 months ago, and now you are like very fluent, and you speak so well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, grandmother, and so nice to have a conversation with you, and yeah. So
Okay.
have a nice day.
Yes, you too have a good day and bye.
Yeah, let's end the
Okay.
conversation. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing, just don't cut the call. One more thing, whenever you get time, please come and text me. I will come, and here after these conversations, I will not ask questions. Only I will bring idioms, and we will discuss.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
right, right.